Nous fait découvrir Ada avec Savinia, nous sommes parlé de musique, nous avons Ada qui est plein d'avenir, Ada qui lui-même a préparé un produit de qualité et de choix pour le public Haïti TV, particulièrement pour fanatiques cocktail sur Haïti TV. Eh bien, à partir de la soirée, chaque jeudi soir, à compter de 9h, on a regardé les choses qui c'est un mélange, comme nous on dit, cocktail, right? On a continué randonnée découverte nous. On a continué si on est sud Floride là. Kounia nous pral parler d'un événement qui pral fait dimanche ça dans Bailey Hall qui chita dans Broward College Central Campus dans Davie, toujours dans sud Floride là, right?
We're meeting today with Ephraim Martin, president of Martin International and producer of IRAMA. Martin, what is our IRAMA?
IRAMA, that's the International Reggae and World Music Awards. It's the only one of its type that honors entertainers in the world music industry, from reggae, Caribbean, African, Latin, and other world beat music.
Perfect. And I understand that IRAMA will take place this year at Broward College, Bailey's Hall.
That is correct. It will be taking place on Sunday, October the 4th, at the Broward Performing Arts at Broward College, which is the Bailey Concert Hall inside of Broward College. Of course, it will be commencing at 5 p.m. for the red carpet arrival and reception, and 7 p.m. for the awards showcase.
Perfect. So I know that this year we are also honoring some Haitian artists. What is the importance to have Haitian artists present at IRAMA?
Well, the music of Haiti is for a part of the world beat music and plays a very serious role. Haitian music has been around for a very long time, and it was used as a demonstration, as a way of protest for the freedom of Haitian people in the earlier time, and back in the 1803 and 1804, quietly the music was part of the tool that helped to generate the revolution in those times. So Asian music plays a serious role when you talk about the world beat music and the movements of our people.
Can you tell us more about some of the artists that are going to perform at this event?
Yes, among the performers we have Itana, who's one of the top nominees. She came in strong this year. She was nominated in 4 categories. We also have Taurus Riley, last year winner for Best Male Vocalist and Most Cultural Educational Entertainer. He will be performing. We have Inner Circle, the bad boys of reggae, and if you have known, you have seen it all the time on television. A Cop, the movie Cop, you hear their music in it. Inner Circle will be performing. The Reggae Ambassador, Third World, will be co-hosting the event, along with Tommy Cowan, like the father of reggae music, will be among the hosts for this year. We have several entertainers joining from Cameroon, from Congo, from Nigeria, Ghana, from Senegal and other parts of Africa, who will be coming in the next 2 weeks to be a part of this grand celebration.
Any last word today?
Yes. This awards is, like I mentioned, is the only one of its type. This is where it is reggae and world music biggest night for the music industry. And we want to encourage everyone to go to irama.com. That's IRAWMA.com. They can also call 8779-REGGAE to secure early tickets to be a part of this grand celebration, because no one can afford to miss the International Reggae and World Music Awards right here at Bailey Hall in Davie, Fort Lauderdale.
Exactly. Well, thank you for joining us at Cocktail today, and I hope to see you at IRAMA on October 4th, Broward College.
Indeed. I'll meet you on the red carpet and in the concert.